Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm here to guide you on how to log in to your Anima Health website. Anima Health is basically a digital assistant for managing everything in vet clinics smoothly. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Anima Health website. You can do this by typing Anima Health login. Now click on Anima. After that, you will be directed to login page of Anima Health. To log in, simply click on Continue with NHS Login, or you can type your email address and click on Continue with Email. And that's it. Follow your simple steps and log in to Anima Health. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.